very good afternoon from my miniature airport, where today we will be airplane spotting. We've got a bunch of cool aircraft coming in to land at the model airport, like two Airbuses A380, this oddly shaped Airbus Beluga, and a few interesting military aircraft. We'll be standing at the beginning of runway 27. A nice place to see the aircraft come overhead and land on the runway, with the first aircraft being the huge Emirates Airbus A380 coming in from Dubai. A very smooth landing, and here it is already at the gate being serviced for its departure back to Dubai again. Up next we have another huge Airbus A380, this time from Etihad coming from Abu Dhabi. With a spectacular final turn and a bit of a bouncy landing on the runway. Here is the huge Airbus Beluga coming in to land from Toulouse. Another bit of a wobbly landing, but here it is at the gate bringing aircraft parts to the airport maintenance facility. Taking a closer look at the windsock next to the runway, we see that we have quite a crosswind coming from the left. Let's see how this Vietnam Dreamliner handles that crosswind. Very skilled work by the pilots bringing the Vietnam Airlines safely to the ground. Up next is a personal favorite, the KLM Orange Pride coming in to land from Panama City. Another bit of a wobbly landing, but here it is safely back at its gate. The Queen of the Skies is next, the Boeing 747 from Cargolux coming in from Hong Kong. Putting the aircraft down with a nice crosswind landing. Up next is this EVA Air Boeing 787 Dreamliner coming in from Bangkok. Getting very wobbly, but it seems to be down on the ground safely, and here it is at the gate. Another aircraft from Asia, here is a Malaysia Airlines Airbus A330 coming in from Kuala Lumpur. A great landing, and here it is parked in between the Airbus A380s. Here is a Ryanair 737 coming in from Milan. Getting very wobbly here on the approach, and it's going around. And here it is coming in for a second try, very wobbly again, but it seems to, yes, there it is, down on the ground safely. Let's hope those passengers getting off the plane aren't super scared. Another 737, this time a 737 MAX from Iceland Air coming in from Reykjavik. A great landing, and here it is parked at the narrow body terminal. And wow, what a noise! Here is the Concorde coming into land. A great landing from this classic bird. And next we go to the military section, where we have this Airbus A330 MRTT boarding with the president on board as it's leaving for an important political meeting in New York. And racing through the screen here is a B-1B Lancer coming in from a secret mission. A nice landing, and really cool to see those wings folding up and being parked at the military section. And that wraps up this plane spotting session for today. A bunch of cool aircraft and interesting landings. Comment down below what ideas you have for another spotting session and subscribe if you wanna see more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.